no? But let me double check that, no? But it is 10 days that is provided
10
under
session days.
10 session days that is provided under the rules. As soon as we get the official information, we will be making our official statement on this impeachment complaint.
Ma'am, pero medyo malamig po sina DS Puno dun sa impeachment, ano po, and then sabi rin niya ay parang nagbago na rin kasi yung rules of impeachment dahil doon sa naging decision ng Supreme Court. How it will affect yung BBM impeachment?
Well, it actually a judgment that rests upon the individual members, no? Ito po ay pagbobotohan both in the plenary and in the Justice Committee. So, what is material here is the individual judgment of the members of the committee as well as that of the 20th Congress.
So hindi po magagaya.
Ma'am, di ba yung sa House Committee on Justice, meron kayong specific time period to decide on the case, on the complaint?
But let me go over the rules first, no? Kasi ang hirap mag-comment since wala pa tayong official information on the impeachment complaint. As soon as we get an official information, we will be making a statement on that.
So, but definitely hindi po ito magagaya dun sa paraan ng yung proseso na ginawa kay Vice President Sara Duterte, yung impeachment po sa kanya.
These are two different modes eh. Kasi yung kay VP, it was filed by at least 1/3 of the members of the House. And that is the subject matter of the decision of the Supreme Court, which the House of Representatives filed a motion for reconsideration, which is still unresolved. Ito naman, if the information that I got is correct, this is being filed by a private individual, which is being sponsored by one of the House members.
Once a verified impeachment complaint has been filed, is it with certainty that it will reach or will be heard or tackled by the House Committee on Justice?
I believe so, because that is what is provided under the rules, no? Kaya lang ang task natin pagdating sa rules is to see to it that the impeachment complaint is substantial, compliant both in form and in substance, no? I could recall that we have 60 what's this? I'm always confused between calendar days and session days to hear this impeachment complaint, no? But again, we have not seen the impeachment complaint, so hintayin muna natin magkaroon ng official transmittal before we comment on the contents of the impeachment complaint.
Sabi ka, kailanganin pa ba na si BBM or legal counsel or irregular communication para sa kanilang standard at Committee on Justice?
As far as I can recall, they have the discretion to attend or not to attend as part of the requirement of due process.
Ma'am, kakayanin ba kung sakasakaling dalawang impeachment versus the President and versus the Vice President, kaya po ng Justice Committee?
I have a lot of faith on the members of the Justice Committee. Magagaling ang mga members ng Justice Committee, so I am confident, isa o dalawa, I think the Justice Committee can confidently discharge its function as such.
Paano magiging schedule nyo, ma'am? If ever.
Again, let us wait until the official transmittal of the impeachment.
Not for the record, how do we determine sufficiency in form and substance by the Justice Committee?
Well, pag sinabi nating sufficiency in form, ito yung dapat verified, tapos signed by, sponsored by a House member, things like that, no? Pag sinabi naman natin in substance, and he supported yung grounds for impeachment as provided under the rules. There's sufficient evidence that support the ground for impeachment. O, yun na lang muna.
Okay po,